Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the Google Classroom app and signing in with the account that owns or joins the class. Once signed in, scan the main screen for the class card you need and tap it to open. Make sure you use the teacher account if you expect to see a class code. Student accounts won't generate codes. Once the class opens, pause here. These steps get you to the class view where the code or settings controls are located and ready for the next actions. With the class open, look to the top right for the three-dot menu and tap it. This reveals controls not visible on the main card. Then choose View Class Code or Settings to display the code. Google shows it prominently so you can copy. Once visible, tap Copy to place it on your clipboard or use Share to send it via message or email. This step explains why. Teachers must reveal the code from class settings so students can join, and using Copy Avoid. Finally, distribute the copied code to students or paste it where they'll find it easily. Students then open their classroom app, tap the plus sign, choose Join Class, and paste or type the code to enroll. If the code is missing, make sure you're using the teacher account, update the app, and verify network access. A school-managed account may restrict code display. If problems persist, contact your G Suite administrator or recreate the class to generate a new code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.